yeah, this is what I have today. Both of them have decided at this moment they love mommy more than life itself. Well, I love them more than life itself too, but I'm trying to film a video here. Hi loves, it's Lacee and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I am participating in yet another challenge video. It is the spring DIY and decor challenge that is being issued by the lovely Christina over at the DIY Mommy. Now she has issued this challenge in the past for all different seasons, and this is the second time I do believe that I am participating in the spring one. What she's asked us to do is to make a spring themed DIY. And so I just recently saw that Pier 1 had this. It is a terrarium lantern that they had featured on one of their catalogs that came out in the mail, and I remembered that I already had a piece that I had purchased, I do believe, from a garage sale last year, and I thought I could recreate this and do sort of an inspired by design. And then I'm going to show you where I am going to place it in my kitchen. We already know I already have a ton of succulents, so let's just jump into this project. Here are the things you'll need for this. Here is what the final result of this project looks like, and I have to say I am quite in love with it. I have placed it here on a clear candlestick and put it on the corner of my Norton sideboard that I got from IKEA last year, and I think it makes the perfect accent to go along with the other spring and Easter theme items that I have set up here in the back wall of my kitchen. It is right underneath my wine rack. I love how easy this project was. Now I know that the Pier 1 ones that I inspired this design by ran about $29.99. I will definitely list the price of it down below when I look it up to make sure, but my terrarium, which came on a tall base, was, I do believe, picked up at a garage sale for little or nothing, probably a couple of bucks. And then all of the other pieces, except for the plate that was thrifted at the Goodwill for 59 cents, came from the Dollar Tree. That's the white rocks, the moss, the floral foam, and all of the succulents. So I'm pretty sure if you could find a terrarium like this, I heard Hobby Lobby also sells them, but I've seen them at thrift stores all the time. You could probably pull this project off for $10 or less. I am so happy with it that I am probably going to move this once Easter season is over and place it somewhere else in my home, or even maybe outside. So I want to thank Christina for including me in this challenge. I will list her channel down below along with the playlist of all the other participants in the challenge. Please go by and show them all some love. It is so interesting to see what everyone else is coming out with, and I will be watching that playlist as well. Also, I want to thank you guys for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member of Lacee's Space yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We have a lot of fun here. I do DIYs on the regular, challenge videos, of course. It tags, shop with me, thrifting, who knows what we'll get into on this channel. And also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee's Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will be posting a picture of this beautiful piece over there. So that is it, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, loves.